Hello everyone, we are here at Barangay Cantata, Corilla, Bohol. We have a property for sale here. This is 4,601 square meters for a package price of 3.5 million pesos, negotiable. So negotiable man sad. Okay, mo ni lang presyo ha. Murag akong i-compute na astag 760 pesos per square meter. And along this road, this is kuan guys, tourism road. So road, tourism road ni guys, connecting to Tarsier Sanctuary. Then Lobok River ani paingon. Mirror of the world, Lobok River nya kini pod going to kuana sa ni guys, going to Baclayon, katong the oldest church. So katong kinakaraanan nga simbahan. So now we are selling this property, no. The owner was recently died. So bag-orang namatay. Then the no kawa may igso, awa may is a single. So wala na po yung ginikanan, so no parents. So the seller now are the brothers and sisters, no. So ingana mo gina guys, pag the owner will die, then it will back to the direct heir. If no wife or husband, it will go to the parents. Then if no parents, go to the arena pod sa brothers and sisters. So this is the property guys, no. So nakasinilas na ta guys ha. Ito na lang. So this is the property. It's elevated. Ato naman yung vlog. Actually this is a re-vlogging, pero there is a change of kanang pricing man siguro. So this is one included guys up to here now. We have another video on this property guys, going up. So nakasakat ta dito. We're there on the one. I think the video still existing, no. So money guys. So this is a very nice property, ideal for residential or mountain resort development. So let's try to go there, go here, no. Ato lasang suayan. So nindot ni kayo guys, this is really very nice. So 3.5 is negotiable. So make an offer na lang, no. Just make an offer, because anak man yun na. So this is the surrounding, no. Pwede tayo dadaan dito guys, oh. At still there is a flat terrain here. See? So maganda dito guys. Let's try, no? Pero dito tayo dadaan parang ano lang, slightly uphill lang. See? Oh, may daanan, no? Hey. Spider-Man. Maganda to pag ma-develop mo. Ano lang, depende lang sa pag-develop natin. Okay. Hindi na lang tayo tutuloy doon kasi medyo malayo na. Basta ito po yun, 4,601 square meters. Few minutes drive from Tagbilaran City, because this town Corelia is just only adjacent of Tagbilaran City. Nasa mga 10 minutes drive lang to guys. 10 to 15 minutes drive. Then Panglao Airport, andyan lang mga 30 minutes drive from Panglao Airport. Then the place is very nice also, very quiet. There are already many foreigners already being settled in this Corelia. At you know, Corelia is the source of water in Tagbilaran. Ito ang supply ng Tagbilaran sa Panglao. Dito kumukuha ng tubig. At maraming mga ano ba, mga kahoy, mga puno. So a little bit kuan siya, good climate. So maganda po. Depende lang sa pag-develop natin, no, kasi pa-uphill yung lupa natin. May video tayo noon, no. So we can give you the video. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. We have a website, www.propertyph.net. So may estate tax ito guys, no? May estate tax. Pero no problem, no, kay bago lang namatay. So walang problema yan. Si may-ari. Okay. So this is part of this property. This is part of the property. Okay. Again, thank you. And God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.